So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HKey current user, and now you want to expand control panel, and now we're going to click on desktop, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the desktop folder. I'm just going to expand this so we can see the names easier. And we should now be seeing foreground flash count. Double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 0. So you're going to set the value data to 0 and then click on OK. And now under it, it's going to be saying foreground lock timeout. You're going to double click on this and then do the same thing again. Value data on 0 and then click on OK. And then once you set the value data to 0 for both of these right here, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.